Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable always on display on this device. For this, go to settings. Now here you can see the option lock screen and AOD. Tap on this one. Here you can see the option always on display. So in this device I already enabled this one, and after this one tap on the option. Here we can again customize this one. If you want to show the lock screen wallpaper when the always on display is enabled, then you need to turn on this one. If you want to show the now bar on the always on display, then again turn on this one. When to show, then here you can see here I am going to select the option always. Now let me show you. You can see the always on display is enabled with the wallpaper and the now bar. Now let me show you. Now I am going to disable this one. Disable the wallpaper. No wallpaper. Now again let me show you. You can see without the lock screen wallpaper, the always on display is here. So simply in this way we can enable and use the always on display here. Always on display let you view the time, date and notification without unlocking your phone. It is a convenient feature that keep important information visible at a glance. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.